Okay, so the product that we're evaluating was the color sensor, and then the practical approach with the magnets. So what happened was that the color sensor, this thing, which is, as you can see, not complete at all, it failed miserably due to both technical difficulties and also because I was like very lost in what I was doing. So as the color sensor, the initial idea was that we would take a design and the code from online, alter it a little bit, and then understand exactly what each section of the code did, which worked to some degree. I was able to understand the code for the color sensor. However, while trying to create the circuit board, it didn't work either because the computer had some problems or uploading. Actually, it was the Arduino installing. There was a problem with the Arduino installing, and there was a fault in the program because of what happened, and I didn't realize that until it was too late, which is my fault. The next thing I want to talk about is how we tried to fix the problem. So what I did was I tried to okay, so the SIK guide has two individual boards or boards that show a tutorial on how to make how to make a photocell detect light, and another one which is used to light an LED up with when the photocell is light the LED up in 3 different colors, the RGB LED. So what we attempted to do as a last-ditch effort was to combine the two designs, but that also didn't work, mostly because the wiring was completely wrong. That was my fault again. So in short, we have no circuit to show for, although we did manage to perfect this part of it, part of the design. This was Arash's part. He made everything, the magnets and the bead, the box, and the design that we chose was a mix of both Arash's and my design, mostly Arash's. So there's a magnet inside the bee, and there's a large magnet inside the box, and if the RGB LED was working properly, or the color sensor and the RGB LED were working properly, what would happen was that once it detected the blue, an LED would light up. Oh no, sorry, but once it detected the green, the LED would light up green. So that was what was meant to happen. Unfortunately, as mentioned before, the circuit didn't work. So to compromise, actually we didn't really compromise, we just made this part instead. And so what this is this represents a bee, as you can see, and these different colors represent the different colors of plants. The green one in the middle, that's the one that we're aiming for, that's the one that we need to get. So there's a magnet inside the box, and there's a magnet inside the bee. So, can you get this? Once we roll it, as you can see, it stops right on the green because of the magnet. So, in regard to the practical part of it, we got it complete, but on the circuit board, which I can show you again, it was completely chaotic, and we weren't able to finish it. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks.